Hey there, it's me here in Pineville, Wyoming today. I'll be doing my SNL knockoff weekend update, and it's gonna be the best you've ever seen. It's 10 p.m. on this fine Wednesday eve, and I am just excited to be here. I'll just kind of brief you on some recent pop culture, ranging from Khloe Kardashian wishing Tristan Trashton happy birthday to red carpet looks at the Oscars this year. So I guess we'll start off with Khloe Kardashian and her chaotic relationship with everyone's ex-baby daddy, Tristan Thompson. Now, this girl has gone through everything with this man. He has literally cheated on her multiple times, gotten multiple girls pregnant. So when I make the joke of everyone's baby daddy, he is literally everyone's baby daddy, okay? She's treated him right, with respect, never cheated on him, and the tea gets richer when he cheats on her with Kylie Jenner's best friend, Jordan Woods. Okay? So they're no longer friends, and Jordan Woods is kind of kicked out of the family, but we kind of ignore that. But recently, for his 32nd birthday, she dedicated a whole Instagram post to him. Why? I don't know. But Jordan Woods wasn't at his party this year, we know that. Khloe posts include him with their 2 children, as well as his other children with other women. So that little boy in the blue shirt you see there, that's another chick's, yeah. Yep, okay. Go off, I guess. But on a sweeter note, he does include a picture of Tristan with his mother, who recently passed away. So she also, if you can tell, kind of looking in this corner area here, you can tell that she turned off the comments. A little suspicious to me. Could just be me. I don't know. I don't know why she would turn off her posts. I think she might be worried for getting called out for giving recognition to a man who literally treated her like she was nothing. Now to the caption, which in her words says, "You are truly the best father, brother, and uncle. Your love, attention, silly dances, hugs, carpool rides, bedtime rituals, and the way you show up for them. All of the above means more than you'll ever know to your family of my littles." So I don't know who wrote this, but it needs edited. It is the grammar. Khloe. Anyway, my birthday wishes for you that you continue to crave change, healing, and transformation. Be kind, be patient, be free. Continue to make your soul and your mommy proud. Happy birthday, baby daddy. Can we talk about that? How she referred to him as baby daddy? Like, damn. You didn't even refer to him as, like, love or Tristan. Just baby daddy. That's whatever, though, you know. That'll happen. I think she kind of just went full on petty with this one, which I'd probably do the same. Now on to these beautiful Oscar red carpet looks. Love it. Love it. Not. I hate it. This is from some of the best and the worst. We have one good and three bad. So I like this dress. It says "Woman, Life, Freedom." Masha Amini Hajar Halais. So this is honoring the slain Iranian protesters on the carpet at the Oscars, which I find to be like, wow, because this lady here, Sohara Edusha, she was caught posting against anti-women's rights. So this dress to me, little ironic. I know you're a fan, but little ironic, if I do say so myself. This year's heartthrob, Pedro Pascal, in the most recent show, The Last of Us. Also, Narcos, my personal favorite. This is what he wore. Yep. looking like a preacher. He's not giving. No. I would have preferred he wore, like, his costume for, Narcos, honestly. Tight jeans, nice polo, little gun. But whatever. I can't complain. But you know who showed it all? Miss Rihanna. The iconic baby bump outfits. The hair, the red lip. It's just like overall, she's great at what she does. ASAP was not by her side though. Now, I was scrolling through looks. I don't know who this guy is, but his name is Jonathan Major. And he's looking straight from the 19th century in this fit, okay? We got the long tail coat, we got the shoes, we got the weird tie collar thing going on, but he's got that model face. Yeah. So I didn't know what he was going for. So in conclusion, or I guess kind of to end this, I hope everyone has a great night. And I think everyone should keep up on their pop culture as of recently. Because it's getting a little juicy. I think everyone should check out the Hailey and Selena situation. That's interesting. Definitely keep up on the Oscars drama. That's good, always. And the Kardashians. So, thank you.